Hi, I'm Jan with Academic Technologies. CNU is proud to introduce the implementation of the Windows 10 operating system on its campus computers. We recognize that this operating system looks considerably different from previous versions of Windows, and we want to offer some guidance to make this change feel a little bit more comfortable. In this series of videos, we'll outline some of the basics of this operating system, including where to locate key functions and settings. In this particular video, we'll start with the basics of logging in and navigating the desktop. If you have any questions or concerns throughout this series, feel free to reach out to us in Academic Technologies or to me directly at jana.doherty@cnu.edu. Upon powering on, the computer will display a screen with the date, time, and an image background. On a non-CNU computer, this image defaults to a random landscape image, but on CNU computers will be changed to the CNU logo. Clicking anywhere on the screen will bring up some spaces where you can enter in your username and password, as shown here. Once you enter your username and password, you can click the arrow next to the password field to bring you into your desktop. One note: when you log into that computer for the first time, it may take a little bit longer than usual just because the operating system is preparing your desktop for you. And this is the desktop. As you can see, it doesn't look too terribly different from other operating systems. You have a space in the middle of the screen where icons for various programs can be shown and used, and a taskbar at the bottom where you can both access key programs or locate programs that are currently in use. You can also access the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the very bottom left of the taskbar. You can consider this the analog of the original Windows 7 Start menu in that it shows both your recently added programs and applications and all of the applications available to you on your computer, in this case sorted alphabetically. This is also where you can find the power button for when you need to log off, a space for settings that are both for the computer and for the account. There are also multiple systems within the Windows 10 operating system that can send you notifications, ranging from calendar appointments to systems issues. These notifications will be stored in a notification center, which can be activated by clicking the icon for the center at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, at the far other end of the taskbar. This icon will also display a number on it for any new notifications that are being stored there. When you click on that icon, the panel will open, showing any new notifications at the top, as well as a number of controls in the bottom half of the panel for controlling different settings. These controls are known as your quick settings. You can also change the quick settings for the operating system and choose which ones are available to you from here. To do so, click All Settings to open the settings window. These settings can also be accessed through the Start menu via the Settings app, if the machine you're on does not have this tool activated in this location. You'll want to select System, and then Notifications and Actions. From here, select Add or Remove Quick Actions to get to a list of settings that can be added to your quick settings. Toggle any that you would like to access into the On position, and any that need removing into the Off position. And we'll close that window here. Now let's take a second to talk about Windows apps. As mentioned earlier in the video, the Windows 10 operating system allows users to access applications through this Start menu, which shows all applications that are available sorted alphabetically. You should already have a wide variety of applications to choose from as part of the default image. However, new applications will still require administrative permission to install on your computer. If you would like to install a new app or a new program, please contact us by filing a ticket through the help desk. In situations where you have multiple windows open at once, it can be difficult to switch quickly from application to application without a long process of minimizing windows and trying to find the one that you want in between actions. To switch quickly between applications without this lengthy process, you can tap the Windows key and the Tab key to see all the applications currently open on your desktop in a smaller format. You can then click on the one you want in order to open it at the forefront of your desktop. Now, what about when you have to use multiple programs or applications at once? Fortunately, Windows 10 retains a well-known feature of Windows 8, Snap Assist, that allows users to quickly divide desktop space between two or more applications without the windows overlapping. To engage Snap Assist, enter the desired applications window. From here, you can click the window by its top bar and drag it to the side where you want it to snap. Say I want to drag it to the far side here. A series of outlines will appear for where the application can be snapped. So when you drag the application to the right or the left, you snap it into the half onto the screen. If I want to drag it into a corner, I can drag it there as well. And drag it to the top edge to snap it to the full-size window. Once you have a window snapped, say, to the half of the screen, you may be given an option to select another open program to snap it into the remaining slot. I do want to note that instead of the mouse, you can also use the following keyboard shortcuts to make a snap happen. The first is the Windows key and the left arrow to snap a window to the left, while the Windows key and right arrow will snap to the right. The Windows key and the up arrow will snap to a top corner, while the Windows and down key will snap to a bottom corner. Those last two shortcuts should be used on windows that have already been snapped to the left or right-hand side in order to properly function. On non-snapped windows, these maximize and minimize the windows respectively, instead of snapping. Thank you for joining us for this first video on the Windows 10 operating system. In our next video, we'll be looking at a couple of more unique features of this system that can help you streamline and customize some of your workflow. If you have any other questions while watching these videos, reach out to us in Academic Technologies or to me directly at jana.docherty@cnu.edu. Bye!